Hey guys, welcome back to another weekly analysis video. So let me share my 5 top stock analysis for this week and let me explain why you should keep this stock on your watch list so you may get some idea. So let's start the video without wasting the time. Before that, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit like and click that bell icon so you don't miss any videos. So let's jump in. Okay guys, welcome back again. So let's start the video. So first stock is Container Corp. So in weekly time frame I can see at the top two resistance and at the bottom I can see a good support here. So let me go to daily time frame. So in the daily time frame I can see almost 1 2 3 4 support at the bottom. Whenever the price comes here it will bounce back. Again the price came here, so we have a good opportunity here. So we can enter somewhere here and we can keep the stop loss below the trend line and we can aim for at least 1:3. So you can aim at least first target is this one, second target is trend line. So you just see the price action on Monday. Based on that you can take the action. You just keep this stock on your radar. Next stock is Century Text and India. So what I can see in this what I can see in this stock is we have a good rally from here to here and stock is now in consolidation mode. So in the daily time frame what I can see is I can see this resistance, at the top I can see this resistance and at the bottom I can see this support. So you just keep this stock on your radar. If you see any breakout on Monday with a good volume, you can enter, or else you can wait for the retest, then you can enter. It may break out again, it will come for retest, then it may go up. So you just keep this stock on your radar. So if you entered somewhere here, you have to keep the stop loss below this swing low. So at least you can aim for 1:2 or 1:3. At least 1:3 you can aim, I guess. So you just keep this stock on your radar so that we'll see how this goes on Monday. Okay, next stock is India Bulls. So let me check in a weekly time frame. In a weekly time frame I can see a very beautiful resistance here from here to here, and again at the bottom I can see a good support from here to here. In the daily time frame I can see a very good two resistance. Let me adjust this. And at the bottom again 1 2 3 4 5 support. So now here almost 21 days it's consolidating. So just keep this stock on a radar. You just don't enter, you just watch. So if you see any bullish engulfing, somewhere here, you can enter, and by keeping stop loss somewhere below this trend line, and you can at least aim first target is this and second target is trend line. So do not enter. So do not enter on Monday. You just wait, because almost from 21 days it's consolidating. And then if you see any bullish engulfing or any bullish spin bar, you can enter, and then you can keep the stop loss below this trend line, and you can aim for at least 1:2 or 1:3. Stock is PVR. So in PVR what I can see is, let me go to weekly time frame. Yeah, in a weekly time frame I can see this resistance. I can see this resistance on the top, and at the bottom I can see this support. And let me go to daily time frame. So if you see this stock, we have almost 1 2 1 2 3 4 4 resistance at the top, 1 2 3 3 support at the bottom. So now I don't think, I mean, if you enter somewhere here, your stop loss is your stop. If you enter somewhere here, your stop loss will be little huge, so don't enter. Just wait. If the price comes again to this trend line, you can easily enter, and again you can keep the stop loss below this trend line, and you can aim at least till here. Okay, next stock is Sun TV. So let me see whether we have any good opportunity on this stock. Okay, I can see a good resistance at the top, and at the bottom I can see a good support here. I can see a good support from here to here, almost 1 2 3 4 support. So now stock is in this near trend line. I have a very minimal risk if we enter this trade on Monday. So I didn't mean that you have to enter on Monday. You just wait and see the price action. If you see any very good bullish candle or any bullish pin bar, you can enter somewhere here, and you can keep the stop loss below this swing low, and you can aim at least first target is here and second target is this one. So you just wait for the Monday and you see the price action. Based on that, you just take a call. Okay, let me tell you how I deploy my capital in any stock. Consider that I just want to deploy 20% of my capital in Sun TV. So example, the Sun TV is now trading at 506. So consider that this stock is trading at 500 rupees, just for example. So I want to deploy only 20% of my capital. So what I do, I'll try to buy this stock at the limit price. At least I'll try to buy at 480. I don't place market order. I always try to place a limit order. At least I try to buy at, consider I'm just giving you the example. So 480. So I'll just deploy only 10% of my cap, 10% of this 20%. So I'll just keep the 10% with me. So I'll just, again, if the stock comes to 450 or a 460, again I'll deploy 10%. So like this, I'll deploy my capital in any stock. So the takeaway is, if you have a 1 lakh, consider that if you want to deploy 10% in one stock, so do not deploy in one shot. If you want to deploy only 10%, first buy for 5,000 rupees, I mean 5%. Then after that, wait for some time. Then again, if the price comes down, again put that 5%. So the price will get average. So you will get that benefit also. So that's it for the day. I hope you learned something. If it's yes, hit like and subscribe and click that bell icon so you don't miss any video. Thank you for watching this video with the patience. See you soon.